we checked out the Mitchell Park Horticultural Conservatory.
Or the Mitchell Domes.
I think they had to put 3 here so it didn't look like an anatomical feature.
They are very prominent, and it's basically just a way to see a bunch of different plants, which is actually pretty cool. One of them was a flower showroom dome, so it had a lot of flowers and just kind of random plants.
Oh, this is the flower showroom. Yeah, and this is the one I was least excited about, so it's a good one to start with.
And the kids really liked looking at all of the fake fish. That was like the most exciting part to them. I don't even know if I got any of those on video because it was not the point of the trip. I was looking up pictures of the flowers on my phone, and then I would show it to the kids and I'd tell them to go find that flower or plant, and they thought that was pretty fun.
You found it!
Austin, what was your favorite part about the desert dome?
The contrast between the vegetation and the rockwork.
The desert dome was probably my favorite. It's just a lot of unique cacti, plants. There was an old man cactus.
Feel how hard those are and thick? That one's kind of fluffy.
The kids had a lot of fun looking at the little handouts they had and finding the shrubberies and trees.
Oh, you found it right there. Okay, come on, chickadees.
Oh, I like that birdie.
Like the birdie?
It might be not the chicken.
Guys, it would hurt you.
Headed over to the Rainforest Dome third. That one was pretty cool. It was very green. Definitely had a lot of tree canopies to kind of block the light. You could definitely see how it was like a rainforest.
Which one?
We found it.
Yeah, that was in the desert one, huh? And fishies in there?